We'll guide you through how to insert a SIM card. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're keeping this guide broad, so you could go and use a Android, an iPhone, it doesn't matter. So in order to go and get connection to a mobile network provider, we're going to need to go and use a SIM. So you can go and get yourself a SIM, you can go and get one with a contract, so you can go and get a set amount of text, calls and data. But also you can go and just get ones where you go and pay as you need it. So you can go and pay when you send a text, a call, or use data. So you can go and get your SIM. I already have it here. Now, what we're going to need to do is go and get your phone. So as I said, this could be an iPhone, an Android, it doesn't matter. So I'm doing this on a Samsung Android here. Doesn't matter, I'm keeping this guide broad. Just to go and drag down right now, you can go and see no SIM, no service. What we're going to do is go and shut this down. So you can go and tap and hold the side button. On an iPhone, you need to hold the side button and the volume down button together, and then you can drag it across. Then we can press power off and let it go and shut down. Now, what we need to do is go and locate the SIM card tray. So you start looking on the sides, potentially on the top, but usually on the sides. And the tray goes and looks like this, as you can see. So it's going to have like an outline with a little hole that we need to go and push in to go and pop it out. So often your phone is going to come with a SIM card tool, or you can go and use something like a paper clip. That's going to be one of the easiest ways, or I actually have a keyring unfolded here. But yeah, usually in the box, your phone would have come with a SIM card tool, which you can then go and use to go and push in the hole. So I'm going to go and push this in here like so. It will then pop out. And you can go and slide it out like so. You can drag out the entire thing. Now go and grab the SIM card, and you need to make sure you go and put it in the right way, as SIM cards are they have like a corner missing, as you can see. So go and put it in the tray and make sure that it fits like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and slide it in like that. And then you can go and tap and hold the side button to go and boot your device. The phone's now back on, and when we go and drag down at the top, you can go and see it says EE. Leave a like if you found this useful.